morning. Welcome to Nana's in Apron. I saw a vlog yesterday that was done on Nicole Burgess YouTube channel for some, it's keto, of course. Anybody knows, watch her vlogs, you know she's keto. But it's what's it called? Cinnamon toast chaffles? We're going to give it a try. I already have all my stuff out. In here, look, y'all can't even see that. There's an egg in the way. How about it? In here, I've got the 2 ounces of cream cheese that's softened. The way I'm going to do this to try to figure it all out, let me get my little bear out of the way here. This is the brown swerve, tablespoon of that, because I'm not exactly sure on the cinnamon. Tablespoon of cinnamon. Now, on the maple extract, I'm going to use my measure. It's called a pinch. Again, if I could just get my, it's upside down, but it's a pinch. It fits down in there. And I've used this maple extract before. It made such a mess. So, I just went ahead and did 4 pinches. Because, like I said, that fits down in there. So, that's that. And then I've got 2 eggs sitting over here. And she used a little blender, which the only thing I use my little blender for is to make my powdered swerve. So, I didn't want to mess it up. So, I'm just going to use a fork. So, I've got my chaffle maker sitting over here warming up. I think I'm going to fix either some chicken sausage or bacon or the other to go on the side. Because it tastes good. So far the best thing I've found to measure out my batter for my chaffle maker is this little thing. Came with the K-cup. Well, the cup, the generic K-cup thing. That measured out just about the right amount of batter that I don't end up with such a mess. Here we go. And just look around, make sure I got all that mixed up. Look down in there. Now, if you don't have your cream cheese setting out to room temperature, you all know that you can. Sorry, I'm gonna try to talk so y'all can understand me a little bit better. How about it? You can always put your cream cheese in your microwave if you have it. Put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds to soften it up. Okay. Scoot that out of the way. Remember, be careful. Them little jokers, they're little but mighty. Woo, mighty daggone hot. Alright. I give mine a little spray each time with olive oil. Do not want that stuff to stick. Alright. Now, I'm going to get these made up. And then, I'm not going to keep gabbing, but it should make either 5 or 6, she said. So, we're going to There we go. Four scoops in. Forgot to get that. But like I said, I'm not going to keep talking each time. We're going to get all these cooked up. Then we'll go from there. Use this one. Alright. Well, there's one. It didn't rise up very much, did it? Kind of flat. But I'll put a little more in there. This is not the scoop I typically use, actually. I use one of the scoops that comes in the collagen. And if you've got a chaffle maker, just know that it's the perfect amount. There we go. Okay. Now this is 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. I put a teaspoon of cinnamon in it, and it's got a couple pinches of the maple extract in it. So that if you crave that wonderful mapley flavor, then you've got it in here, along with your mapley flavored truffle. But this is a butter that she spoke of that's, I think, served in a restaurant somewhere. I don't know. We don't have a whole lot of restaurants here, fancy or, you know, going in, sit down type things. You have to go the next town over, which we tend not to do. We usually either grab something at one of these little mom and pop kind of shops or eat at home. Right now, we're eating at home. And everybody knows why. So we're going to put a little bit on there. She said, be sure and put it in between each one of them. I just tore that. It's alright. And I've got the sausage cooking over here, so once all this gets finished, oh, you see that stain? Yep, you know that's hot. But that's the chicken sausages from Costco that we love to eat. Please excuse my hair. Y'all know the reason. There's no haircuts going on here. For me, anyway. And Tom's standing over there patiently waiting. Do you want to give it a taste without the syrup on it? That's what she said she does with hers. So we're going to let him give it a try. I've told y'all how much I love this little thing. That is one handy piece of equipment. He's ready. He's got 2 forks. Alright. Step over here and let's see. Oh, that's right. He's tall. So I'll have to lift this up. Almost farther than my arm will reach, so out I go. You like it?
That's very good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Now, he gives his honest opinion, by the way. If y'all didn't know that already. We're not going to say we like it if we don't.
Be careful with the maple extract. It's very strong. Just in general, Brenda was very careful with the maple extract. It's not too strong in this one. I just wanted to point that out.
Yeah.
From an eater's, taste tester's point of view. So. no, this is very good.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking these up. You all take care. Have a good day. And thanks, Nicole, for sharing this recipe. See ya. Bye.